Juan Fernandez, osteopath, and my little girl Eva. She's been helping us today. So today we're going to talk about plantar fascia. So we've got a question from Jacqueline who says, how can I ease plantar fasciitis and shin pain? So for those who don't know what plantar fasciitis is, if this is your foot, plantar fasciitis is the muscles, the fascia underneath your foot. And it's called plantar fasciitis because it's just inflammation of that foot. So wherever it could be, at the origin or the insertion, people get pain from it. It could be caused by many things, problems of tension through the foot, it could be compression through the ankle, it could be weak gluteus. There's a lot of things that can affect this. So the running, the style of running, so the best thing you have to do is go and talk to your osteopath to see why is the reason that you have that. Okay, my advice to reduce that is, if you're a runner, you want to reduce your stride, okay? And that will help loads. The reason behind it is that when you heel striking, which is about 90% of population, when you heel strike, you put a lot of compression through that lock joint, which then is going to affect up to your knee into your hip, okay? So we want that energy to dissipate. So if you do shorter strides, then you're more likely to hit the foot mid-strike and go forwards, which then will put less tension through that heel, and the energy will then dissipate and go forwards. So that should be one of the things. Another thing that you could use, show us the ball, Eva, put the ball up in the air. Yeah, we can use a golf ball. And the golf ball, we can just use it on the bottom of our foot. So we're going to use Eva as our model. Does your foot come all the way up here? Yes, it does. The foot, the ball, all around the surface of the foot. Okay? So with the golf ball, what we can do is just pop it on the floor, just like that. But you have to be sitting down and just put some weight over it. And what you want to do is just go all around the plantar surface very gently. Doesn't necessarily need to be very, very painful. It's just enough to feel that tension on the foot. And what you can do afterwards, do some stretching and then some cold shower. The same routine that you would do for after your runs. Use the foam roller, stretching, cold shower. About your shins, well, regarding your shins, it's, well, very easy. It could be predisposed by a couple of things. So if you start, heel striking is one of them. If you start too fast too soon with this weather, it's cold, it will jam up and get you sore shins as well. The best thing you gotta do is foam roll, stretch, cold showers. Why the cold showers? I insist on this now, cold showers. If you see like the pro footballers, it's best for recovery. I mean, if it's good enough for the pro footballers, it's good enough for me as well. So I just take my normal hot shower, and then at the end, even if it's just a minute, I go through cold to reduce that inflammation. I do this in the mornings because it's already a routine, and then after I do my runs as well. Okay? Any more questions you guys need, just shoot away.